Welcome to my Acapela Group review, Usage Experience. Acapela Group is a leader in the text-to-speech (TTS) industry, offering innovative speech synthesis solutions tailored for diverse needs. Whether you're creating accessible content, enhancing customer service, or developing voice-driven applications, Acapela Group provides a range of TTS features that ensure natural-sounding, customizable voices. What makes Acapela stand out is their extensive voice library, offering over 100 voices in more than 30 languages, with regional accents and a high level of emotion and expressiveness. Their speech synthesis technology is used by professionals across various sectors, including education, healthcare, and entertainment, delivering lifelike voiceovers for apps, websites, and assistive devices. The key feature that sets Acapela Group apart is its emphasis on personalization. You can customize voices with unique characteristics, adjust speed, pitch, and even add emotions like happiness, sadness, or surprise. This customization gives users a sense of individuality and control over the speech output, which is a huge plus for creating tailored experiences. Acapela also offers the ability to integrate its voices into a wide range of platforms and devices. It supports multiple APIs and SDKs for developers to easily embed their speech synthesis capabilities into applications, making it incredibly flexible for businesses. One of the most notable aspects of Acapela Group is its commitment to accessibility. Its voices are widely used in solutions for the visually impaired, enhancing the user experience for those relying on screen readers or navigation systems. In terms of reliability, the platform's performance is impressive. The voices are clear, intelligible, and deliver a highly professional standard. The cloud-based TTS service provides real-time delivery, ensuring minimal latency, while the offline options allow for continued usage in areas with limited connectivity. However, Acapela Group does come with a learning curve, especially for first-time users or developers unfamiliar with voice integration. The setup process for the API and SDK might be a bit complex, but the documentation and customer support are strong, offering guidance every step of the way. In conclusion, Acapela Group's text-to-speech services are ideal for anyone looking for high-quality, customizable voice synthesis with a focus on accessibility. Its wide range of languages, voices, and emotional depth make it a solid choice for businesses and developers who need versatile TTS solutions. Whether you're looking to improve accessibility, create a unique voice assistant, or add dynamic speech to your app, Acapela Group is a top contender in the field.